Today on OpenClaw was not good. I did not have a good time with OpenClaw today. OpenClaw just it came in and it didn't like me, just everything. And it wasn't even OpenClaw, but OpenClaw was part of it. I mean, today I had a bad experience with OpenClaw. Bad, 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 bad. It is day 19 of 100 on OpenClaw. I am Mike, and I'm going to share just a horrible experience I had at work today with OpenClaw. So the day started great. I had OpenClaw configured to connect with the WordPress MCP server. They have their own. And so you can communicate with it, and then it can make updates and talk to your agent, etc. It's really great. And so this is for building SEO, for lots of links, and selling and referring all types of cool products for people. Now, here's what happened. It was building the site out, and I was just getting ready. I had added skills. It was on a new configuration. New configurations are horrible because you have to reteach everything. Yeah, you copy and paste a lot of stuff from previous things, but every OpenClaw is new and different for every organization. So you got to kind of customize it, and I had everything set up. Of course, I took my snapshots, backed up everything, and I'm using DeepSeek v3.2. Problem is, it went down on Akash, the hosting provider. And so because of that, I had to switch to Qwen, and I switched to MiniMax, and at one point the site got completely nuked, and it was just horrible. Like it went from a great site, and then I hadn't backed it up, and then it literally put my instruction, change this, and that's all it said on the homepage. And it was like, oh no, everything, the whole, it was looking so good. And model switching. So when you're working on a big thing and you have a lot of context, different models will interpret that, and also they'll use tools completely differently. And so that is something that is just not okay. I was planning on getting all the agents. I'm still going to get all the agents today, so there's going to be a quick video because I got to get all this configured so that everything is working and moving properly. So yeah, don't switch models. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to use Open Router and have a fallback always for other DeepSeek v3.2 providers, because it's so smart. It's so smart, and it can do so many things, and it just knows how to use things, and it's so good at working with memory, and it's so good with OpenClaw, and it's reliable. More reliable for me than Anthropic stuff or Llama or Qwen or any of those, MiniMax. It is so good. So I want the job done right, and it does the job right. It's actually fun to talk to. So it was really sad that happened today, and this wasn't really an OpenClaw problem. It was just my provider, and yeah, I'm gonna fix that. So that is my tip for you, to be ready for that. It's okay when you're doing simple stuff, emails, project management, things like that. But when you're doing website design and blog posts and everything, you need it done right. And when it's managing a blog on a complex platform like WordPress, you need it done right. So I'm going into the weekend a little, but it's okay. And that's just part of the journey, right? That's the learning experience. So learning and growing and moving forward. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll be back on Monday for today's 19, 20, 21, 22, day 22 on OpenClaw of 100. Thanks for watching.